Can't use chat while playing on Roblox on your mobile device? This problem can happen because of privacy settings or app issues. In this video, I'll show you how to fix can't chat on Roblox mobile on Android. So let's get started. Solution 1. Update privacy settings. First, open the app, then click on the three dots or more at the bottom. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then Communication. Set Experience Chat to everyone. Set Direct Chat to everyone as well. Now go back and select Party. Set Party and Group Party to Connections. Restart the Roblox app and try now if you can chat or not. Solution 2. Update the app. Open Google Play Store on your device. Then in the search bar, search for Roblox app. Now if you see an update button next to Roblox, then tap on it. Solution 3. Clear Roblox cache. Open your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on the search option and search for Roblox. Tap on it and now again scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Now try the game again. I hope this will fix your problem. That's how you can fix can't chat on Roblox on your Android. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.